EJ for the coming week. We can see that last week we had a very sharp sell-off on EJ. Mm. So we can see that from last week we had a very sharp sell-off on EJ here. Okay, making a new lower low on the here on the weekly. So it's violating this low of 160. Okay, now we made a new lower low at 175, 157.500 key weekly area there. So for this, with this said, okay, I'm looking out for a sell type move this week on EJ as well. Now, in the first part, okay, looking at how the daily closed last week, consider daily we had a very um, big candle closure as well on the daily on Friday last week. Okay, and we'll be pushing to the downside gradually, push, push, and push. Okay, so we could expect this price to more or less continue this momentum. Okay, maybe into the early part of this week. Okay, so now seeing that we are at an area where the daily has reached before, we now have to wait for a daily closure below 157,500 to confirm a sell type setup for us to then look to um, sell to the downside. Okay, if not, we could just see a rejection of this previous low and market could start trading to the upside. But seeing that the weekly was bearish, okay, the daily, okay, was bearish, we could expect this bearish momentum to continue. So two things I'll be looking out for is that we'll look for a break of 157,500 and then continue to the downside. Or on another scenario, we could reach into 157, okay, 158,750 before seeing the sell off. Okay, so basically like a slight pullback on the daily. So we've seen the daily that we have daily and selling momentum on the daily. The weekly also we have selling momentum there. And now breaking it down to the 4 hour, we can now see that the 4 hour structure, okay, is more or less switching to the downside. So we've had like a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So we're more or less switching to the downside on this pair. Now the Fibonacci you guys saw me delete was one I drew on here on the 4 hour time frame because I use the 4 hour time frame for my structure basically. So if I'll be looking to only buy when price trades above this 100% area here, okay, on the Fibonacci and on the 4 hour structure. If not, I'm still very much looking to sell within. Excuse me, guys. So I'm looking to sell within this whole area here unless price trades above this region and maybe above 160 right here. So guys, yeah, that's a quick update on what to expect this week. Okay, so I'll check back with you guys later this week and have a good trading week and welcome to the market.